Happy Turkey Day, everyone. I'm thankful for a beautiful day to spend with family and friends. And I'll be really thankful when all the food comes out right and I'm done cooking for the day. Oh, all the kitties are here. I'm always thankful for that every morning. Yeah. Hi, Mart. I saw you running around out here this morning all playful like. Good morning, Panther. How are you, bud? You my good boy? I see you got a whole bunch of new leaves up here on the porch. They just blow on up. I clean them and they come back up again. Hi, sweet boy. Good morning, Gray. Hey there, sweetheart. Hi. Hello. I see your bowl's nice and empty, and here's a bowl of fresh chicken. Hi. Oh, it's a good girl. Good girl. I know you're thankful for Johnny being home for a few days. I haven't even fed you any turkey yet. I'm sure all your guy friends are going to think you've got the right idea.
Yeah, well, it's just reading all this paper and my eyes get tired.
But before I make him go walk, I am going to give him a piece of pumpkin pie. Not his favorite, but he won't pass it up either. Well, it's really quiet up here today. There's one family at the playground. A trucker, I assume, sleeping. And, you know, the normal morning activities at the community center that's closed today. So I'm sure this afternoon, considering it's really nice out here. I don't know. Dawn said it was 45, 50 degrees, but I don't have on a jacket and I'm not cold. So I think it's more like, well, warming up quick, at least in the sun, well into the 50s. Or I'd be cold. I have a jacket in the car. I didn't put it on. Didn't need it. Anyway, I'm sure families will be up here after they eat, wanting to go for a little walk. We're not going to walk our full walk because I don't have time. Maybe last year we walked after I put the bird in the oven. I don't know. You know, we eat when it's done today. I'm shooting for between 3 and 4 o'clock. I didn't actually look at how many pounds the bird is. It takes what it takes. It was funny. The ladies up at the, you know, where we Rainbow Meadow Farms, where we bought the Sandra, where we bought the turkey. They said they most frequently asked question is, how long do I cook the bird? How do I know when it's done? And I'm figuring this is from, you know, people that cook on Thanksgiving but may not cook, you know, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever. And there's a pop-up timer in it this year. I thought that was cute. It can't hurt to help make sure you don't overcook it. When I cook the chicken for the kitties, I pull the pop-up timer out of those chickens because in the Instant Pot I can't see it anyway. But probably about 3 hours in the bag. 3.5 at the most. So, Dawn, an inspiration to us all. You know, he's getting better at it from practicing. I can already notice the difference. I may not be fast, but my heart rate's at 155 and I'm not dying. I'm trying to mitigate the effects of holiday eating. I'm gonna get back. I've gone a full lap and I'm going to the other scoreboard again. So that'll be really close to a half a mile.
Well, I do see the vapor condensation cloud caused by at the Sharon Harris nuclear power plant. It's out there powering all these Thanksgiving meals with clean, reliable, low-cost energy.
There it is.
Yeah, I saw it better from the parking lot back there. I'm glad it's working today. It's a beautiful day. There's a Model Y.
It's 11:40 and I'm just a little behind where I'd like to be, but within my window of planning, so it's all good. I'm starting on the stuffing, get the bird in the oven. Then I've got cranberry sauce to make and macaroni and cheese closer to when it's done, and I'm gonna make a little potato dish, and then I gotta figure out how to warm everything up quick. I was thinking I could have used a second toaster oven. There's the bird. It's just shy of 16 pounds. Going in at 12:20. Supposed to be stuffed about 2.5 hours, something like that. So 1:30, 2:33. I was hoping for between 3 and 4. Of course, it takes a while to get it out and to cut it, and the other side's ready. So maybe we'll sit down at 3:30. It slipped.
Do you know what she did?
I'm so sorry. It's all down my front, on my sneakers, on the floor. It's only a tablespoon or two, though. It's not that much maple syrup.
You best never show up in Canada.
I'm so sorry.
You'd be arrested.
It was an accident. Don is a really good helper. He's making sure I don't burn the cranberries. I've never burned them, and I tell him I don't want to start this year, and you're supposed to stir and stir and stir, and I don't stay in one place good for 20 minutes, and I got lots of other stuff to do, so thank you.
You're welcome.
I was just remembered we had your hat.
Oh, gee whiz.
The only one that doesn't have the, here, let's get it, there you go. The only one that doesn't have a hat is me. I heard the driveway alert. That must be David. You could take it off now. Thank you for putting it on for a few minutes. You know, the only one of us that doesn't have a chef's hat is me. Yeah, but it started out with the boys, and then we were someplace else, and there was a Dawn one. It was already made, and so I picked it up. But anyway. Yeah. All right, it's been 45 minutes. We're spinning it.
Yeah.
It just maybe helps to evenly brown it a little bit.
Alright, it is officially spun.
Thank you.
No burns.
Yeah, that's why I don't touch it. I've already cut my finger this weekend. I don't need to burn it. There it is. Potatoes, mac and cheese, crescent rolls. It's all good. Need 2 ovens today, though. Strong man. Yeah. This is how we get the juice out for all that good gravy.
That's right.
Or even know the name of the difference in the
There's
shells,
the
right?
bird.
The spiral
before
shells.
I carve it. Marianne's got the gravy being made. There's the mac and cheese. And there's the cranberry sauce.
Potatoes.
There's the potatoes and broccoli casserole and sausage.
Some kielbasa if somebody wants to add it to the mac and cheese, but I didn't add
And the
it.
penis in the pot.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go.
You and
Giblets.
Michelle, I can't
Giblets.
take you out
Giblets in
anywhere.
the pot.
Well, you're doing a good job there.
I don't know.
So you don't have to worry about getting the leg off for Johnny because he's not taking the leg right now.
Okay.
Here's my plate. Yeah, it's a little sad that it takes that many hours to make a plate looks like that, but it's also very cool. So let's dig in.
There's a lightweight plate for women, you know how they are. But now that's a guy plate for me.
I'm home with some leftovers and the Lego thing. Yeah.
Parting with a piece of cheesecake.
Yeah,
Your idea.
Yeah, it was.
Bye.